If you've got an old Kindle, you need to hear this. Amazon is pulling the plug on all Kindles from 2012 and older, starting May the 20th. After that date, you won't be able to buy or download any new books on them, and if you factory reset it, the device is completely bricked. Let me explain what's happening and what you can do about it. Here's the list of Kindles that are affected. The original Kindle, the second generation, the Kindle DX, the Kindle Keyboard, the Kindle Touch, the Kindle 4 and 5, and the first generation Kindle Paperwhite. If you're not sure which one you have, check the back of your device or look it up on the Amazon account under Manage Your Devices. After May the 20th, these Kindles will lose access to Amazon's services. That means no buying books, no borrowing from the library, no downloading from your cloud library. And here's the really frustrating part. If you deregister the device or factory reset it, Amazon says you won't be able to use the device in any way. They're essentially bricking it. So here's what to do right now. First, go into your Kindle and download every book from your cloud library onto the device. Do that before May the 20th. Second, do not factory reset it and do not deregister it from your Amazon account. As long as you stay logged in, you can keep reading whatever's already on there. You can also still plug in to your computer with USB and sideload books. If you want to keep using your old Kindle after the deadline, sideloading is your best friend. Project Gutenberg has over 70,000 free books you can download. Standard ebooks take the same public domain books and formats them really nicely. You can also check Humble Bundle for cheap DRM-free ebook bundles. Download them to your computer, plug in your Kindle and drag them across. Are you affected by this? Let me know in the comments what Kindle you've got and whether you're going to upgrade or keep the old one going.